Hey guys! So if you've been watching my videos, you know that I got my hair silk pressed, trimmed, and layered a few weeks ago. I'm ready to get back to my curly roots, so I'm going to show you exactly what I do to go from straight hair back to curly. Let's get started. So I've had my hair in this low bun for several days because my hair was starting to get oily and I've been going to the gym, so my roots were starting to revert. I already mentioned that I got my hair silk pressed for the first time a few weeks ago, and of course I filmed it, so if you haven't seen that video yet, I'll link it in the top right corner of this video, and I'll also link it down below in the description box so you can go watch it. I haven't put any additional heat on my hair since getting it straightened, and as you can see, my roots have definitely started to wave and curl back up. So I'm just going to brush through my hair to detangle it and also remove any hair that hasn't shed since it's been stuck in a bun. Now I'm grabbing my squirt bottle, which has about 1 part apple cider vinegar to 2 or 3 parts of water to dilute it, and I'm just going to start spritzing the roots of my hair and massaging my scalp. I like to do apple cider vinegar rinses at least once or twice a month, or whenever I feel like there's a lot of product buildup on my hair and scalp. Not only does it help to remove product buildup, but it also acts like an antibacterial on the scalp to help reduce dandruff and any dryness or itchiness. Apple cider vinegar also stimulates hair growth, decreases tangles, and adds shine to the hair. It definitely has a strong smell, but the smell goes away as soon as you rinse it out. Apple cider vinegar rinses are a staple in my hair routine on a regular basis, but especially when I'm going from straight back to curly. So after I spritz and massage my scalp really well, I'm going to spritz the length of my hair with the mixture and then brush through to detangle. So you can see here that my hair has reverted back to curly with no problems so far. I let the apple cider vinegar mixture sit on my hair for about 20 to 30 minutes and then I headed to the sink and shampooed it out. This is the shampoo that I used. It's the Joico Smooth Cure Sulfate Free Shampoo. This shampoo gets my hair super clean without stripping my curls and making them feel dry or brittle. Okay, so my hair is nice and clean. I did not put any conditioner or deep conditioner in it yet because I'm going to do a protein treatment first. I'm starting in the back and gently detangling this section before I get started with the protein. I'm using my favorite, which is the ApHogee 2-step protein treatment. It has a very thin and watery consistency, so the easiest and least messy way to apply it is by putting it in a squirt bottle and spritzing it onto the hair like you see me doing here. This step is optional, but I like to brush the treatment through my section while it's still super wet to make sure it's evenly distributed. You can use your hands to distribute the treatment too. You basically just want to make sure that all of your strands are coated, but once the treatment starts to get tacky and harden as it dries, do not try to brush through your hair or run your fingers through your hair. Not only will it hurt, but it may also cause severe breakage. So once the protein treatment starts to dry, leave your hair alone. I have an in-depth tutorial using the ApHogee 2-step protein treatment, so I'll be sure to link that in the top right corner of this video, and I'll also have it linked in the description box below too. After all of the hair is coated with the protein treatment, it has to dry and harden on the hair. To speed the drying process, you can sit under a hooded dryer or just grab your blow dryer and dry it like you see me doing here. After the treatment dries on your hair, you're going to go ahead and rinse it out really well, but do not shampoo your hair again. I like to use the Balancing Moisturizing Conditioner, that is step 2 of the 2-step protein treatment, to help rinse the treatment out. Alright, so I've rinsed the protein treatment out of my hair, and now it's time to deep condition. Deep conditioning is a must after doing any protein treatment so that you can put moisture back into your hair. You want to make sure you use a protein-free deep conditioner after doing a protein treatment so that your hair doesn't go through protein overload. I decided to use this Redken All Soft Mega Mask. I'm starting in the back and applying the deep conditioner to my section, and then I'm brushing through the section to make sure it's evenly distributed. After that half of my hair is coated with deep conditioner, I'm going to do the same thing on the other half. So we'll skip ahead, and now all of my hair is coated with my deep conditioner. I'm putting on a shower cap, but a plastic bag works just as well, and then I'm blowing my hair with medium heat to help the deep conditioner penetrate my hair strands. After everything was nice and warm in there, I let my hair sit under the shower cap with deep conditioner for about 30 minutes. Alright, so now my hair has been through an apple cider vinegar rinse, shampoo, protein treatment, and deep conditioned, and now I'm ready to do my usual curly hair routine. I'm going to use the Deva Curl One Condition Decadence Conditioner as a leave-in, followed by the Deva Curl Be Leave-In to help plump my curls, and then I'm going to finish it off with the Archangel Gel. I have a tutorial on how I use these products in my curly hair routine, so if you want to see it, I'll link it in the top right corner of this video, and I'll also link it down below in the description box. After all of my curls are coated with the products, I grab my blow dryer with my Deva Fuser attachment, and I diffuse my curls with medium heat until they're dry, and then I go through with cool air to set the curl. After my curls are 100% dry, I use my hands and fingers to fluff my roots and pull my curls apart to create more volume. You can also fluff your hair with a hair pick or a wide tooth comb if you prefer. So that's it, you guys. That's how I go from straight hair back to my curly roots. It's a bit of a long process, but it's so worth it. As you can see, there's no heat damage from when I got my hair silk pressed. I also had a bunch of layers cut into my hair to help bring back some of the shape that my curls tend to lose as my hair continues to grow. Feel free to comment below and let me know what videos you'd like to see me do next. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing, and until next time, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!